This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Crypto and crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas crypto and crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making crypto and crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto from the gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. The Wall Street guy. You come over here, hit the like and subscribe. We go live talking about the crypto space, Bitcoin news. How's everybody doing this morning? It's Monday. It's rainy. Oh, let's have a wonderful day, baby. We want to talk about this. Don't fall into the crypto Bitcoin trap that may be coming. We're going to talk about it on the charts today. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, my brother? Good morning, Jake Creek, my brother, and Aaron. Good morning to you. What's up, Pete? Don't know if Jasmine is ready to pump up. You have come to the right place. Every day we do a crypto live for you, right? At least once a day, talking about the crypto space. So here we are. Nice mug. I ain't talking about your face. Ooh, that's a good one. Guess what? This mug is not too shabby. Just needs to shave. Yesterday, if you missed the live real quick, I just want to get it out of the way. I just want to talk about it really quickly. Yesterday, you come on this channel, you watch. You hit the like. We tell you where we think it's going to go. We were all the way up here when we posted on Instagram, just about $10, telling everyone, get ready. There is a fall coming. Are you prepared for what could happen next? My order filled. I only had 25% of my liquidity into the $8.99 price. I went about 902. It filled at 902, and the rest was history. Sold, 746. What are we going to do now? I do have it in liquid. What I'm going to do now is look to buy in the golden Fibonacci sequence pocket, our favorite one little tool in now the yellow area. What I believe could be a good price is the 38.2 pullback in the golden pocket. This is a short-term time frame, so you can only take this for what it is, but this usually works for me. These are the two J-like substances I think we're going to get to, and it's the 163, which is one of them. I believe can happen. And then if you pay attention, definitely to mention on the first one, like I said, there's so much momentum into this asset. I believe $8.99, perhaps just $9. That'll. And once again, almost exactly as predicted, right? We gave ourselves two levels here. Didn't go crazy. We gave ourselves two levels. And as you can see currently, perfectly, the order filled right at the 902 level for me. I don't know if you did this yesterday, if you were able to. Congratulations on taking on this trade. Not financial advice, of course. Just a gentleman. Twice as nice every day, coming to you with a live video. So please don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. This pattern is not out of the realm yet, so we're going to talk about it. There is a chance the 863 still comes. We're getting double top formations, looking a little bullish, but I do expect for this to come back through and touch and see if we hit resistance one more time, as this is the only times we have now at this level hitting resistance. So we'll see what happens. If it does continue to break down, you will find yourself trading right at the $9.17. If we fall below the 19.17 cents, you will then be able to find yourself at the 822 or the 50% pullback, which would then be a very nice area coming through. We'll see what happens. Double bottom end patterns, you could get yourself looking something like this. So good morning to you, Gary, as well. These are some of the moves I expect to happen next. If not, we will continue to go up with this purple breakthrough. And if we do create a new high, then you already know it's time for a new buy. So Wall Street Pete, no financial advice. But for the rest of the market today, Some of you watched me yesterday. We talked about the Cardano 2 days ago and said, hey, cup and handle, not cup and handle, excuse me. There is a cup and handle. That's why I said it right here in the inverse head, which is what will convert into an inverted head and shoulders pattern, come up, high volatile waves, and then off to the races at the 42 cents. So Cardano, real quick, we got some news for Cardano. Currently, best Cardano NFT projects. Wanted to go over a couple of them today. I do this quick as hell, so you may be actually really happy if you got to get ready for work. But Cardano's killing it. It's going to do what Ethereum did by 2030 times 10. I don't know what else to tell everybody. I know it's an opinion. It could be whatever you want. But I'm seeing what's happening. And they have the top 7 Cardano projects. And I'll tell you right now, these projects are excellent. Top notch. What's going to happen in the future with some of these projects are going to blow your mind. Clay Nation. Let's go over them. Clay Nation is a digital gallery that offers clay-based avatars and accessories. It is a collection of 3D characters with algorithmically created clay-like traits, accounting for their movements and portfolio through the use of AI-based programs. So, obviously, there is an algorithm, right? Just like YouTube, so please make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We have to beat this algorithm. We need hundreds of likes to really start getting our videos above everyone else. I give you numbers, I give you levels. We're going to go over the Bitcoin one soon. Let's just get through this Cardano project real quick. I want to talk about some of these in a quick fashion because it's important. Cardano's doing something that no one has ever done. Their private transaction fees and their scalability, is top notch. Clay Nation has priced around 35,000 ADA or higher. In January 22, Clay Nation has completed a total volume of transactions worth 14.8 million. This is what I'm talking about with the scalability. It's an awesome idea. I like what they're doing with it. You got to look more into it. Number 2 right now, ADA Ninjas. If you do come across this NFT project, you may be interested in this. Good morning to you as well, Emerald. Nice to see you in the chat. 88 Ninjas is an NFT-based project focusing on Maniga, the top NFT project on the Cardano ecosystem. 88 Ninjas includes community-driven hosting on Cardano blockchain. Pretty interesting what they have here. It's weird, right? This one looks like Fonzie. What's his name? It looks like a weirdo. Oh my God. That does look like one of the Osbournes, right? Doesn't look like Mr. Osborne. I said Fozzie. It looks like Ozzy. Really, it does. That's weird. The female version. The Boss Cat Rocket Club. The Boss Cat Rocket Club was established by members of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So if you were new to this may be some information that you didn't know. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We go over this stuff. This collection consists of a finite supply of 9,999 generated spacebound cats on the Cardano blockchain. So once again, another winner, another top project in the space. These are the NFT projects for Cardano. So much in the ecosystem. Space Buds is a 10,000 unique Cardano-based NFT collection. The company was founded by Alessandro, the creator of the Nami wallet, and Zieg, who is advocate for non-fungible token technology. Looks like Tony the Tiger's little stepbrother, really. I don't know. It's my first time seeing the image. I knew we would go over it. Coming in with a 1 million sales record in SpaceBud, the first Cardano NFT to hit the achievement. So SpaceBuds was bought up for 510,000 Cardano. Woo-hoo! I would like to own 510,000 Cardano. SpaceBuds currently has the highest listed price for SpaceBuds at 3.5 million. Getting to the end of this, your most favorite part, we're going to get to the technical analysis part, the charts, where everyone loves to see how Wall Street Pete kills it. Like Pokemon, Digimon, and Moshi Monsters, Yummy aims to be an online digital world users can design customizable character skills and items. And this is pretty cool because right now, it's your burger buddies. Check it out. One of the NFTs top. The company is in process of creating an entire ecosystem of NFT creatures, cards, and other forms of digital collectibles. Yummy Universe is a 3D modeled and rendered digital environment with very high quality 3D animations. The animation takes over 33 hours to render for such realistic, detailed content. Once again, that's a long time. And you know what? This doesn't bother me. Cardano is going to continue to take its time and tell you, This is how long it takes to build it. This is how long it takes to be successful. If you want to get on the train and enjoy the steady ride and slow and steady wins the race, or do you want to get on Mr. Roger Rabbit, ripping his hairs out and flying through this just to create something to get in and out real quick? Now, I'm looking to retire. I'm looking to be good for my future, and Cardano seems to be it. Pavia, we went over this on my channel last year. Many of you already know about the Pavia. It is the first ever Cardano virtual world created, owned, and based by its users. Pavia is a metaverse project built on the Cardano that has over 8,300 landowners. So once again, we can go over them all. Soho Kids, this is another one I'm not familiar with, but it's pretty cool because it first debuted their NFTs in the initial collections and continue to maintain a pretty solid roadmap. Gonna have to do some more work into this, but it's funny because at the end, buy Cardano, no shenanigans. I would love to buy Cardano, so we're gonna get into a lot of that right now, but that's what Cardano's doing just in the NFT side. I don't even see Ethereum coming anywhere close to these. Then you gotta look at the rest of the ecosystem. So much going on, obviously, so we'll check it out. Currently right now, Chainlink, though, accumulation by whales triggers bullish sentiment. Large wallet investors of Chainlink holding between 1 million and 10 million worth of tokens have consistently scooped up more Link, adding nearly 47.31 million. So to their portfolio over the past 8 months now, this is what's been happening in the bear market. Crypto traders have accumulated these altcoins. As many of you don't know what's going on, you're selling. So big Chainlink news. I don't think anything's going to stop. Big news in the cryptocurrency market for your Voyager people who watched that go bankrupt. Bankruptcy court approves the FTX purchase. So Sam Bankman-Fried is now, I guess, getting involved now. He's going to help some people get their money back and also run the program. Major crypto exchange FTX has secured the approval for a U.S. bankruptcy court to take over the assets of troubled crypto platform Voyager Digital. So in a statement, in the platform said, the U.S. Bank Court for the Southern District of New York decided to approve Voyager Digital's entry in the asset purchase agreement between FTX US and Voyager. So it's going to be interesting now. We'll see what happens. Approximately valued at $1.42 billion. Whew. So big deal there. As we talked about the Chainlink news, you already know, this week there were 12 integrations of 3 Chainlink services across 5 chains. So check them out. Some of them are very well known, obviously. Archibit, oh my God, how stupid that sounds to say. Slowly, Avalanche, BNB Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon. So check it out. And if you are holding your assets and you're not doing anything else with them but hodling, you must be staking them, Mr. Emerald. Here we go. Chainlink is seeing its number of whale addressees continue rising as prices touched $7 Sunday. The amount of addressees holding 700,000 or more sits at 458 addressees. This is the most since 2017, its opening year of public trading. So pay attention. We come here at the Wall STP on Instagram. Thought this was effing hilarious. Can't play the sound, but I probably could.
You will.
This is what happens, right? My investment, and it just keeps on dipping. And I don't know how the hell these animals survived going down this mountain, but it was a goat mountain lion, I believe. Mountain lion and a goat, the ones that climb these mountains, and damn, it's the dip that keeps on dipping. By the dip, the manipulation of whales. I thought it was kind of funny, not really got much of attention, but make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We go over most valuable information. A lot of people don't see what's going on currently for the Bitcoin price. If you're interested, well, Bitcoin is daddy, and daddy runs everything. So you got to watch what's happening. We have a daily chart here. 30,000 is the top peak of this beginning, falling, symmetrical triangle pattern we have. If I do look at the daily now, though, I do have something occurring that has not happened. Now, our liquidity grabs were up here, still hitting resistance on the downward slope. We then find that we're getting bigger candles, no longer liquidity grabs, and now you find yourself over the slope, building support on the downward slope. So I do have a daily, 11 hours and 36 minutes currently. We need to find out where we're heading and if, and I say if, we close a candle above the 20,500 level, you will then find yourself being able to sell Bitcoin. And I know this sounds insanity, but you will then be able to sell your Bitcoin somewhere around the 22,000, 21,000 level. I don't know if anyone's interested in that, or your coins that are basically in this asset, if you feel that this is going down still, this could be a nice little rally, but we have to fight our way across the 20,500 level. As you can see here, it's a very, very big important level. So that was Bitcoin being said. I do have Cardano here in the mix, and why I think it's time. I mean, I really do think it's time to buy Cardano. Currently dollar cost average in, as you already know. If we break below the 34 cents, and I can't believe it held up, ladies and gentlemen, I gave this to you a long time ago, a while ago, and I said, you know, we have this 34 cents. We were trading well above 42 here. And I said, listen, we could possibly hit this 34 cents. If we do, we cannot break below it. If we do, we're going to find ourselves trading 20 cents. I don't know if I can handle that. Going to be having an issue there, right? A lot of us get to the FOMO, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out on this price, and others will be fear of missing out on, well, my money. It's going down. I don't know if I could take anymore. Downward slope currently happening. Got this daily right now on this current chart, as I told you here, looking like an inverted head and shoulders. Is still kind of correlating on the hourly chart, as we know this is a daily here, excuse me. Come up, we could possibly test all the way to 37.5 cents and then come down. But we could be hitting this resistance now and not even go there at all. Make some type of shoulder, but I do believe if we're making this shoulder on the daily, we will find ourselves at the 37 cents sometime soon. We have not yet to get there. So let's see what happens on the daily. We have 11 hours and a half for Cardano. Please hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. And damn, I'm telling you, we're going soon. As you may know, currently for this asset, we talked about it and we said we filled the order. Lots to talk about there. Order filled at the 902 on different exchanges, different prices. As you can see here, we came down. We called this. Pretty impressive, right? Some of you got to be impressed. One of the prices, I mean, if you look here, I even said as we were getting to the levels what was going to happen. As you can see here, way prematurely. No one even hit the heart on this one, but that's insanity. Oh, there it is. Right there, all the way on our way heading to 7. I said if we break out, as I said, this one was the exactly predicted. Nobody likes those, but I did say even here, trading $7.44 where I bought, and I showed you where I bought. Currently right here, if I said, well, sharing to 500 people is a joke, one day 100,000 people, real money to be made, and I kept saying boring sideways action. This will eventually break out, and we're consolidating off that big fall, and the rest for Aptos is history, right? We were right here when I said it, 751. I had a price. I was telling everyone buy. Look what happened since then. You could be making money. You can make it sick though like crypto. I mean, none of it's financial advice, but got to start following me. Bought it at 744. Here we go. Sold it right under the $10, right about, and you're looking at a 30% gain. As you could watch on the video, I wrote 30% gain. So you have to pay attention to some of these things. You may miss it out. Hit the bell, all notifications, so when we do get this stuff coming, you won't miss out on the opportunity. Now, looking at currently Ethereum, is there anyone in the house before we go? I like to keep it a 20-minute short video. What we would go over, and then this little guy, son of a, you know what, types jazz me as he beats me to what I even was about to say. So start bull crap. Cut it out, Selner. You know what I was going to ask, and you put it in there before I said it. I did not see that. And now we're doing Jasmine because he said so. So currently, if you're looking at this head and shoulders pattern, ladies and gentlemen, it's exactly as predicted. I said I'll have the shoulder come all the way up to either the 48 or the 47. And we already talked about this in a previous video. Well, did it happen or did it not? And you had to pay attention because it could get a liquidity grab all the way up to the 48. And that's exactly what happened. I gave it the shoulder all the way up for a liquidity grab here, sell out here to confirm that you're going to get the resistance here. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get any better than this. I feel obnoxious, but I'm very excited. I'm very happy to be able to share information like this with you and be correct. So currently right now you'll find yourself hitting resistance for the Jasmine price. So sell their ass and he's getting it. Probably pop more up to the 48. We could get to the 0.005, but then it would be all the way resistance if we're still coming back up now. So that will be what the finish line would take you, and then you better sell. You're going to be hurting. So I'm not even saying we're going there. Currently looking at the chart, I think we're done. I think we're going to get that pump. I think we're going to come down 2, and then we're going to go up and then hit that. So what I'm saying is 2 red candles, so they're coming down, probably retouch to 0.0045, and then you'll probably find yourself there. And then we'll be talking about a head and shoulders pattern here coming. What will happen is this will be the bearish head and shoulders pattern. This was the inverted head, which got us to this point in time. So if you're paying attention, definitely mention Wall Street Pete does this for everyone, and nobody does this for you but Wall Street Pete. You'll see something like that. We'll be heading back to an inverted, probably down to the 0.44. Wouldn't be a big deal because then you would get that coming into play, and then everybody, ladies and gentlemen, will be talking about new higher lows, be a left shoulder hopefully coming in, coming down head, and then you'll be talking about something like that. And then we could really be getting into play, like I said. This is what happens. So a lot of people are learning charts and patterns. I'll leave this here for you. This is high volatile waves, ladies and gentlemen. This is actually a very, very bullish pattern right here. Very bullish momentum, but look how long it takes us out. All the way to the end of November, and we're still fighting and trading in the same range. So people have to understand, even a month ago from now, we could probably test these sort of things, 0.005, and then we're going to come back down again all the way to the end of November. This is going to be a long ride, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not here for the long term, I don't know what the F you're doing here. But something similar to that magnitude can very well happen. So I need you to really hang in there with me and understand what is going on. We could be getting the bottom. If we're testing the bottom, you will see. We'll get confirmed. Boring sideways action. We'll then start to retest up to levels and find ourselves building support at this price if you're into Jasmine. So my name is Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. You want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day. You hit the like and subscribe. We go over with everyone in the chat. So if you are in the chat and you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, a bell, all notification, and then when we go live, you're not watching in video recorded. You can just chat with us live and ask for what you want to go over. So pay attention right now. Pinky in you is going up 30%. I don't care. You can suck my pinky. I don't give a damn. I don't know much about the asset. I'm not going to get involved. Let's be real. XRP's been trading this bullshit price between this 30 cents and whatever else it's been for about 2 years now. It has not done diddly squat. But then if you go look at the rest of the market, you can say that for everything else as well. You can easily give up. So please don't give up. Total crypto market cap, $933 billion. So a lot of people got to understand. It takes time. We still have 3 months. I believe we're still going 3.5 months strong until you really start seeing this change. So I don't know what to tell everyone. I can only do a video as many times as I can. If you want to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, you're here on YouTube now. TikTok, we even have one. Check us out. Start doing your research. Find where Wall Street Pete is. We give you all the tips and everything we can. The gentleman used to work here right in this floor with no windows. This was the greatest place to trade. This is the greatest place to work. Some of the greatest traders in the world. So if you're wondering where we came from, this is where the Wall Street Pete was invented. Have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. You have a great, great week. We'll probably see you maybe later this evening or the next video when it's important. So that's why you hit the bell. All notification. We're out of here like Vladimir. And I'm not talking about Putin. Take care.